Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create Facebook group polls. Maybe you have seen this already, maybe you haven't. So a poll is like a question that you will be asking to this group, and you give them some options and they can choose from these options, and then you want to see what is the option with more votes or so on. Okay, maybe you want to see a statistic about something. I don't know, you can use it for whatever you want, and you will be seeing this option available only if the group admins make them available. So if you don't see this option, is because the admins didn't add this feature to this specific group. Okay, so let's go to my iPad and I'm gonna show you how you can create a poll there.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is to go to your Facebook group, and now I'm gonna tap on write something, and you can scroll up your options, and I selected the create a poll option. And right now I'm just typing the question that I want to make for my community. And as you can see, there is an add a poll option below my question, and you will add some options for the community on your group to select. In this case, I'm adding parenting, and then entrepreneurship and motherhood. Now you can also delete some options just tapping on the cross at the right side. As you can see, you can allow members to add more options, or you just unselect that option. Right now we're gonna see the post, and here it is. And as you can see, there is another option that I just added. You can add some more options once that you created the poll, but you cannot edit the current options that you already added.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.